Hello everyone. Just
No, don't
ignore
touch
them.
nothing. Leave it alone.
I
Yeah,
haven't
you
been
know.
making a video about the
I didn't miss
Jiggly
that
slime.
one.
It's Jiggly.
I'm looking at the one I missed.
So
Come
I'm
down
gonna
up
touch
here.
this slime.
Yeah.
I see little.
No, I didn't have nothing to do with that being
I
like that.
snapped one.
Take the
Bro,
Jigglies.
you snapped like 3.
You guys know how we have. Every people have
Go ahead, move. I gotta start
little
from the top.
black Jiggly
You might be
slime,
able to
but
carry
with the
your
other girl,
luggage
she's
in there.
really complaining. But my video is better than hers. You're like, oh, this slime too Jiggly is too black. I'm so excited about the black slimy thing.
Are you recording over there?
Yeah.
Okay, it works. Just know that.
And
I
so
want-
this
I
is
want
the
the pink
Jiggly
snap
slime.
Okay,
So
well,
sticky.
move. You gotta
so
move then.
stretchy.
Unsnap it all the way.
So that little stretchy.
Don't get
I'm gonna
frustrated.
put it in my container. Can I get like a little?
All right,
Once it
now.
snaps, I'm
my
keeping it that
hand,
way, and I'm
it
gonna
never
just slide
comes
out
off.
of it.
Okay, so snap it. Come on.
Tell me if you
Come
want
on,
the top
yes,
off.
little puppy.
See little
Down.
on here. So I'm just gonna put them in here.
Did I ask you for an assistant?
Just a little on the disc. Because it's like it's everywhere, you know.
That's much better.
And here's the Jiggly.